All right, it's Thursday morning. We're on our way to Vegas. We got comped and we're going to the Bellagio. And we're actually flying out using JSX. You can show up to the airport like 20 minutes before the flight and just hop on the plane. Oh, they also have a valet, so we're gonna drive there. So we're gonna eliminate Ubers as well. It's the height of convenience.
Yeah, let's go.
Let's go. Vegas! Let's just chant Vegas over and over again.
Oh my God, babe, let's not become cheese balls.
Vegas, 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 Vegas. All right, we're here at JSX valeting the car. Pretty convenient, didn't have to wait for an Uber. Let's check it out. The arrival process at JSX is extremely simple. We pulled up, valeted, they took our bags, and you're right in front of the private hangar, which is completely separate from the rest of the airport. Once inside, there's friendly staff waiting to greet you.
Pretty much done. I'll take your bags from here. All right.
After the quick, easy check-in, we entered into a large, open hangar with hardly any people around. So if you're a person who doesn't like crowds at airports, this is for you. All right, so let's go check out the lounge and see what that's like. I walked into this room labeled lounge. There really wasn't a whole lot to it. Some extra seating. It's quieter than the rest of the hangar. It's magazines to read, a flight information screen. Oh yeah, and a coffee machine. Not much in the way of snacks, though. Well, these prices. There isn't much time to eat anything anyway, so I decided to head back out to the hangar where we could sit, relax, caffeinate, and take the opportunity to check into the hotel. Hardly a moment passes and our flight's announced to board. Just a quick, fully clothed walkthrough of a metal detector, and then it was time to scan our boarding passes. We make our way out of the hangar onto the tarmac where the plane is waiting for us. Time to find our seats. Okay, so this is the portion of the video where I'd be talking to camera about the in-cabin experience. Unfortunately, I didn't turn the microphone on, and ADR's just way too difficult, so I'm going to cut away to B-roll with some voiceover. The cabin itself is nothing to write home about. It's basically a refurbished regional plane where they've reupholstered the coach seats with leather and updated other trim level things. The plastic tray tables have been given this sort of fake wood grain finish which classes it up a bit, I suppose. I honestly have no idea what I'm talking about here because there's really not much to discuss about this cabin. It is worth mentioning, however, that there is very fast Wi-Fi that's available as soon as you board, and that's nice. Looks like we're ready to take off. You excited?
Yes, let's go.
Let's go. Cue the over-the-wing flying montage. Back inside the airplane, it's time for drink service. I opted for a 7-7, or what they had that was closest to it. Alcohol is included in the fare with JSX, which is great. Finally, there's some snacks. Typical stuff like chips, cookies, crackers. These gummy bears are fire though. In no time, we're descending into Las Vegas, whereupon I'm realizing I need to invest in a neutral density filter. We disembark directly onto the tarmac where our bags are waiting for us. It's really awesome you don't have to go to a baggage claim. As we make our way through the hangar at McCarran International, here are my final thoughts. This is not really a luxury product, it's a convenience product. It is definitely pretty cool. And for these short trips where it's just a bit too far to drive and flying under normal circumstances isn't worth the trouble, JSX offers a fantastic solution. Thanks so much for watching. Please like, share, comment, definitely subscribe. We're going to attempt to answer that age-old question. Does what happens in Vegas stay in Vegas? Stay tuned.